Hello, I am Shweta. I am fashion designer and pattern making coach. Welcome to my channel Silhouette Sutra. At Silhouette Sutra, we discuss all about fashion, fashion styling and fashion pattern making. Today at the 8th episode of pattern making series, we are going to make a kurta with extended sleeves or mega sleeves. So without further ado, let's get started. Kurta, we need certain measurements. I have divided into two different parts, vertical measurements and horizontal measurements. So for vertical measurement, first measurement which we need is full length. Full length could be any length, whatever length you want for your kurta. It could be long below calf, it could be mid length, above calf, knee length or above knee. For the demonstration purpose, I am taking it 36 inch which will come till knee. Then second vertical measurement will be your hip length. Normally it is 7 inches away from your waist. For this demo purpose, I am taking it 22 inches. Then our slit length. From where we want to add slit to our kurta, that will be our slit length. Here I am going to use 21 inches. Then our waist length. From all the vertical measurement, we measure from here, from where our neck meets our shoulder tip. From there we measure all the vertical measurements. So my waist length will be 16 inches. Waist length is the length when you bend like this. So naturally where you bend, that is your waist length. Then you want your burst length. That will be from the tip of your shoulder to till your burst. In my measurement, it will be 10 inches. Then you need sleeve length also, because we are making mega sleeve. Mega sleeves can't be I want to make it short, so I'll take 8 inches as sleeve length. Then we need some horizontal measurement. First horizontal measurement will be across shoulder. Normally it comes between the range of 14 to 16. For demo purpose, I am taking 15 inches. Then I need bust roundness. So we'll measure around the bust, fullest portion of the bust. For demo purpose, I am taking it 36 inches. Then we measure upper bust, 1 inch above the bust, which will be 35 inches. We need below bust measurement, that will become around 30 inches. Then we need waist measurement, which will be 32 inches. Then we need our hip roundness, which will be 40 inches. You can take stomach measurement also, which will come around 38 inches. So I think these are all the measurements required for our kurta. So let's go to Seamly 2D and start making the kurta pattern. One measurement, our sleeve roundness, which will come around 13 inches. So add that also to our measurement and jump to Seamly 2D. Though it is not active, so let me make it active. I'll give it a name. Mega sleeve kurta. All the measurements are in inches. For demo purpose, I am using centimeters. I'll click on OK. I'll start with my full length first. So as I told you, I need 36 inches. So this is 36 inches. Then what I'll do, I'll mark all the vertical measurement on this line. For that I am using this tool. First I'll use my burst length, which is 10 inches. Second will be my waist length, which is 16 inches. Then my slit length, which will be 21 inches. Then my hip length, which is 22 inches. Then I'll start taking my horizontal measurement. First horizontal measurement will be half of my shoulder, which is I taken 15 as shoulder, so 75 will be my half of shoulder, plus I'll add the sleeve length to it, which is 8 inches, so I'll add 8 inches. So this is my shoulder plus sleeve. I'll mark a point for my half of shoulder measurement also here. So that point will come at 7.5. Okay. Then my next measurement will be burst measurement. My burst is 36 inches. I want to make a loose kurta, so I'll add 4 inches as a looseness, so it will come to 40 inches. We are making 1/4 pattern, so it is divided by 4, so it will be 10 inches. Same for the waist. 32 inch is waist, 4 inch looseness. Because we are making this mega sleeve kurta, normally we do not add this much looseness during around our waist, but because this is loose kurta, till now we have made kaftan top, batwing top, all are loose. That's why we are adding 4 inch looseness at our waist. So it will be 36 divided by 4 will be 9. So it will be 9 and 0. Okay. Now my hip measurement will be 40. I'll not use 4 inch as looseness. I'll just add 2 inches because I don't want to flap like this. But if you want to make A-line kurta, okay, let's make A-line kurta. So I'll add 4 inch looseness here also. So I'll do shift 44 divided by 4 is 11. In that case, we will not need slit measurement, so please ignore that. And at the bottom, how much flare we want. We are making A-line kurta, so we'll add just 2 inches to our hip measurement and that will be enough. There is no standard measurement for this. You can decide how much flare you want, but you can't add too much flare because otherwise the fabric will not hold that flare. If you want more flare, then you can add that through kali, and different things are there to add the flare, but 13 inch flare can be done, so I'll do 13 inches here. Simple method I follow. I add 2 inches to my hip measurement and it is done. Now we need neck depth. So what we can do, we'll make a simple small round neck for this kurta. So again, for the back neck, I'll take 1 inch depth and for front neck I'll take 3 inch depth. It is a close neck kurta, so I'm taking 3 inches. For the neck width, you can go 1/12 of your bust measurement or simply take 3 inches standard for Indian garments, adult Indian garments. For the kids, you have to go 1/12 of the chest only. Now you can square these down to make our neckline. Now for each garment we need some shoulder fall because our shoulders are not straight, it has some slant. Again this measurement we take standard. You can take 0.75 for medium fall. If person has very really slanting shoulder, you can go up to 1 inches. If someone has square shoulder, you can go to 0.5. Here I am taking 0.75 inches here. So for the sleeves I'll go 1 inch down because I am taking till sleeves. I'll go 1 inch down from here. I'll just do 1 inch and okay. So automatically when I join from the neck till here, it will be around 0.75 there. So I'll use the line tool to join this. Now again I need sleeve roundness, which was 13 inches. So I'll need half of that, which will be 6.5. So I'll go down 6.5 from here. This is my sleeve roundness. So this simple kurta pattern is ready. Now we'll add the finishing touches and we'll make the extended sleeves. Before that I want to tell you all my pattern which I have taught till now, I have not added seam allowance. You have to add that extra. You can take 0.75 inch on 1/4 pattern or half inch depending on the fabric availability. I've drawn my necklines here to save some time. Now we will join our kurta pattern. So for that I'll use 4-point curve here, and this is extended sleeves. So I'll join like this here. You can see my cursor like this. So let's start from here. You can manually join easily and like this. So it is going slightly out, which will give you the ease to wear. Then remaining part is very simple. You can join like this line here and then another line from here to here. But when you actually make kurta, you don't want these curves. You can smooth this with your French curves. Because I am using this seamly 2D, so I am joining this like that. So this is the pattern for mega sleeves or extended sleeve kurta. We have mentioned some measurement which we have not used in this kurta, but it will be useful for the next pattern when we use actual slightly tight kurta. That's it for today's pattern. What would you like to learn in upcoming episodes? Please tell me in the comments. Bye for now and see you in the next video.